A Duval County jury considering a wrongful death lawsuit in the 2011 murder of Kalil McCoy comes back with a number, and it's a big one, $495 million. McCoy, who had just graduated from high school, was shot and killed as she was riding in a vehicle with friends. Frederick Wade was convicted of second-degree murder and sentenced to 45 years in prison. 3 other men were sentenced for their roles in disposing of McCoy's body. Her family has also been seeking justice through a lawsuit against Wade, his aunt, and the accomplices. None of the defendants came to court to respond to the litigation. News 4 Jax reporter Janice Harris was in the courtroom for the jury's decision. She's joining us now from the newsroom. Janice, what are the chances McCoy's family will ever collect any of this money?
Good evening, Tom. Well, the family's attorney says they're going to hire a collection agency and try to get the money that way. Kalil McCoy's family was speechless, but grateful that the jury made that multi-million-dollar decision. There is no amount of money large enough to bring Kalil McCoy back after she was brutally murdered in 2011. But her family is grateful that the jury decided to penalize the 4 men tied to McCoy's murder. McCoy's mother spoke after the decision.
I was excited. I was just thinking about my daughter smiling and saying, "Yes, you," in her little voice. You know, it's never going to be total justice for my daughter because she's not here.
McCoy's twin brother.
With me being her twin brother, I was speechless, just chills. You know, I'm happy for my family where we're able to move on to the next step.
Kalil McCoy's life was taken away when she was riding in a car with 4 friends when the driver, Freddie Wade, shot her in the head. Wade and the other 3 men helped get rid of her body and initially lied about what happened. The family attorney says this lawsuit will send a message through the 6-person jury to anyone else who is thinking of committing a crime.
It was 6 strangers' messages that don't do that in Duval County. Kalil McCoy's last words, some of her last words before Freddie Wade shot her was, I'm gonna haunt you. Well, justice haunted these boys, and it's gonna continue to haunt every evildoer in this town, in this state, if me and this family have anything to say about it.
Very powerful last words. Now the family plans to have a statue placed where Kalil's body was left.